In this video, we'll show you how to change the spark plugs on your Chevy Silverado. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. There are 4 spark plugs located on the passenger side and 4 located on the driver's side. Passenger side spark plugs may be difficult to access. You can reach it more easily through the mudguard. Simply pull on the ignition coil wire to disconnect it. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a vacuum to properly clean around the spark plug. This prevents the dirt from falling into the motor. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 5/8" spark plug socket, loosen the spark plug. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the spark plug. You can order the spark plugs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Grab the new spark plug. Put the new spark plug in place by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to gently bring it to the screwing support. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with the socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the tightening torque recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. Reconnect the ignition coil wire. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.